Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all will be doing great. My name is Mubashir Iqbal and I am a BS English Literature student at Kajazm University, Islamabad. And today I will be presenting a topic competence, the hidden grammar in our mind. Have you ever wondered how we can instantly tell whether a sentence is grammatically correct even if we have never heard it before? For example, most English speakers immediately recognize that the sentence "the boy is playing football" sounds correct, while "boy the football playing is" sounds incorrect. But how do we know that? This answer lies in a concept called linguistic competence. In this video, I will explain what competence is, its major features, how it works in the human mind, and why it remains one of the most important concepts in modern linguistics. So, what is competence? The term competence was introduced by the famous linguist Noam Chomsky in 1965. Competence refers to a speaker's internal and mental knowledge of the grammar of a language. In simple words, if I say, so competence is the knowledge of language that exists in our mind. Interestingly, we do not consciously memorize every grammar rule, yet we can produce thousands of sentences correctly every day. This hidden knowledge allows us to understand language, create new sentences, and recognize grammatical structures automatically. Chomsky also argued that linguists should study this underlying mental system because it reveals how human language is organized and processed. Now let's move to key features of competence. Now let's look at two important features of competence. The first feature is mental knowledge. Competence exists entirely inside the human mind. It is not something we can directly observe. Instead, it consists of internalized grammatical rules that speakers acquire naturally as they learn a language. And the second feature is unconscious understanding. Most people cannot explain complex grammar rules, yet they use them correctly every day. For example, a native speaker knows that "she is reading a book" is a correct sentence, even if they cannot explain the grammatical structure behind it. This shows that competence operates automatically and unconsciously. Another remarkable aspect is creativity. Because of competence, speaker can create and understand sentences they have never heard before. Now let's talk about competence and performance. It is one of Chomsky's most influential distinction between competence and performance. Competence refers to the ideal knowledge of language stored in the mind, while on the other hand, performance refers to the actual use of language in real situations. When people speak, they sometimes hesitate, forget words, make grammatical mistakes, or become distracted. These errors do not necessarily mean they lack grammatical knowledge. For example, a student giving a presentation might accidentally say a sentence incorrectly because of nervousness. This mistake is a part of performance, not competence. So, competence is what we know about language internally, while performance is how we use that knowledge in real world communication. Now, let's look how competence works. Let us understand how competence works step by step. First, we have what linguists call mental grammar. What is mental grammar? Mental grammar is an internal system of rules stored in the brain. These rules organize words and structures in a meaningful way. Second, during sentence formation, our mind automatically combine words according to the grammatical pattern. For example, when we want to express an idea, we do not consciously calculate grammatical rules. Instead, our mental grammar automatically guides the process. This allows us to speak and understand language. We can recognize whether a sentence sounds natural or unnatural even when encountering it for the first time. This demonstrates the power of competence in hidden cognitive systems that operate continuously whenever we use language. Now, let's understand it with a real life example. Let's look at a simple example. Consider the sentence: "The boy is playing football." The boy is playing football. Most English speakers immediately recognize that this sentence is correct because it follows the grammatical rules of English. Now consider this sentence: "Boy the football playing is." Although the words are familiar, the arrangement is incorrect. Native speaker instantly feel that something is wrong. So why? Because their competence contains knowledge about word order and sentence structure. This example shows that competence is not simply about knowing vocabulary, it is about understanding how words must be organized according to grammatical rule. Even young children demonstrate this ability long before they receive formal grammar instructions in school. Now, let's understand why competence is important. Competence is important for several reasons. First, it provides the foundation for language learning. Children acquire language rapidly because they develop an internal system of grammatical knowledge that helps them understand and produce sentences. Second, competence helps linguists study the structure of language. By analyzing competence, researchers can discover the rules and patterns that exist across different languages. Third, competence distributes the field to fields such as psychology, cognitive science, language teaching, and AI sometimes. Understanding how humans process language helps researchers develop better educational methods and language technologies. For this reason, competence remains one of the most influential concepts in modern linguistics. Now let's summarize the whole concept. First, competence is the mental knowledge of grammar that exists within every speaker. It operates unconsciously and enables us to understand and produce language correctly. Second, competence differs from performance because performance reflects actual language use, which may be affected by memory limitations, stress, and or distractions. Though through confidence, humans can recognize grammatical structures, create new sentences, and communicate effectively. Ultimately, competence reveals that every speaker carry a sophisticated grammatical system in their mind, even if they are completely unaware of it. These are some references of books. If you want to gain some more knowledge about competence, these are the books. You can go through the books and understand it more deeply. And thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to understand the fascinating concepts of linguistic competence and its role in human language. Have a great day. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.